Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/bottomlinetrader. I haven't talked about Bitcoin a little bit, so I want to kind of get into Bitcoin and where I think it's headed to. My initial thought process was that it was going to 106K again. I still think that. I think you're actually going to be closing a confirmation today, and you're going to push to the upside. I'm still looking for 106K, but again, right, if we do keep pushing to the upside, right, again, you already broke top of this channel. So ultimately, right, I am looking for this next mid channel at 120K Bitcoin. So 106 Bitcoin is already going to be a pretty good, what is it called? Like a pretty good target for me, right? That's essentially where I think that Bitcoin is actually going. So why is this? Is this on the weekly? There we go. Okay, so what I'm looking for is I need to do this. Bring this down here so I can get that. There we go. Now I can go a little bit lower because that's what I want to see. Take this chart off. There we go. So I still want to see a break to the upside. You already broke up here, but you actually didn't go to the mid channel, right? And because you are closing a confirmation, you're holding support here at 50 at 95,415. If you close above this open, right, of like what 97,292, I do think this is gonna be your trigger that you keep pushing up to that 106. But really, target is not 106, right? Target is mid channel, which is closer to 110. So as of right now, if you do close like this, right, if you do close above today, right, the general idea is that my bear open is 97,318. If you can close today in 11 hours and 15 minutes above that 97,318 or that bear candle open, I am going to be targeting anywhere between 106 to 110, right? And if we go up a little bit to the weekly chart, you can actually see, let me see, there you go. You can actually see that we broke above, right? So we actually did break above. Mid-channel came right back down, but I also want to make sure that we stay above, we stay above that lower, we stay above that bottom of channel, right? This white strong line here. You want to stay above roughly 99,200 roughly, right? To still be pretty bullish. Because if you end up closing all the way down here, or you close under like a 97,210, which is this bull candle open, then you're gonna have a really bad time, right? I could definitely see us dropping back down to like 89, and then more than likely drop back down to like a 77K. So you gotta stay, I gotta tell you guys this, right? You gotta stay above 97,208, right? So the open on this weekly candle is 97,260, right? Let's actually drop it right here, 97,260. There you go, that's fine. So as long as you stay above that, I think you're gonna keep pushing up to the upside to at least like 106, right? You're gonna keep pushing to at least like 106, 110. So far right now, as long as you stay in this range and you close, right, I still think we're going to 106, 110. But if you close this week on Sunday under this 95, or what was it again? If you close the week, right, under, where's that candle? There we go. If you close under this, 97,273-ish area, right, which is the open of the weekly candle, then you're in really, really, really big trouble. So this is your major level, 97,273. If you close this on Sunday under 97,273, you're going to be in, I'm thinking, pretty deep shit. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.